everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing a villa tour of Yo Villas, which is located near Panchashil Tower, Kharadi, Pune and developed by Panchashil Realty. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the entrance of this villas. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है खराड़ी मांजरी रोड, जो राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है मांजरी और लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है खराड़ी. But before I show you the villa, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project is constructed on 80 acres of land parcel with a 191 villas, which includes ground plus one floor having 4.5 BHK and 5.5 BHK premium villas. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual road and this project is located near Panchashil Tower, Kharadi, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है ऑक्सफोर्ड वर्ल्ड स्कूल 750 meters, Dhole Patil College 1.3 kilometers and Eon IT Park 1.3 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 20 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, kids play area, gym, indoor games, long tennis court, basketball court and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the beautiful 4.5 BHK villa, which has 6700 square feet plot size. Here you can see the external view of this villa. Now let me show you the garage space. Now here is your private parking space where you can park your 2 cars easily with a private shutter. Now let's enter to the villa. Now this is the entrance of your villa and as soon as you enter, you get a private lawn which is surrounded to the villa. Now it's time to check out the villa. Now this is your entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Here is your main door. Now let's check out the villa from inside. Now here is your grand double-heighted living space. Where you can set up your couch and decorative items. Here you will get a glass wall for natural sunlight purpose. Let's check out the first bedroom of this villa. Now here is your first bedroom, which is a guest bedroom. Here you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit. Also you get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Now here you will get an attached washroom space. Now let's check out the other spaces. Now this is your common lobby space. Here you will get a powder room. Now this villa is so spacious that here at one corner you can set up your mini bar. Now here you get a space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now here is your private living space where you can set up your couch. Now let's check out the external space. Now here is the place where you will get a natural sunlight. Now this is also a way to your backyard. Now let's check out the kitchen space. Now, This is your kitchen space, which is actually very spacious, and here you can customize as per your choice. Now, here you will get a space as dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let's check out the service patio. Now, this is your service patio where you can set up a platform to wash your utensils. Now let me show you the servant room. Now this is your servant room where you will get an attached washroom. Now let's check out the first floor of this villa. But are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक strong recommendation है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बायर्स सीरीज जरूर देखिए। बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इश्यूज। हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को जरूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द फर्स्ट फ्लोर। हियर यू विल गेट 2 एक्सेस टू योर फर्स्ट फ्लोर, ईदर बाय लिफ्ट or by stairs. Now let's go to the first floor. Now the most important thing. Here you will get a bare shell villa, which means you will customize it by your own, where I am just giving you an idea how to set up it. So now this is the space which is very cute. You can also call it as a meetup space. From here, you will get an access to your every bedroom. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Now, this is the entrance of your second bedroom, where you get a space. Here, you can set up your wardrobe. You also get an attached washroom. Now, this is your very beautiful and gorgeous second bedroom, where you can set up your bed and TV unit or study table. It is so spacious that you can set up your couch. You also get an attached balcony. Now here is your beautiful balcony. Now let's check out the third bedroom. Now this is the entrance lobby of your third bedroom. Here is a very beautiful bedroom where you can set up your bed and TV unit or study table. You also get an attached washroom. And attached spacious balcony. Now this is your spacious balcony. Now, let me show you the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now, this is your very gorgeous master bedroom, where you can set up your bed and TV unit. Here, you also get an attached balcony. Now, this is your balcony, which is actually very spacious. Now, here you will get a space for walk-in wardrobe and master washroom. So everyone, this was a 4.5 BHK villa tour of U Villas, which is located near Panchashil Tower, Kharadi, Pune, and developed by Panchashil Realty. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.